pick up this true blue metallic 2003 Ford F-150, available today. Featuring automatic transmission, it has 79,760 miles. This could be the one you've been searching for. Contact us and get behind the wheel today.